Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jacob. So today we're going to be checking out some underwater wrecks. I'm actually going to be doing this with my dad. That's his boat, a Glacier Bay 26. So let's check out this wreck. This wreck actually surprised us because we didn't know it was here. We only went over to this area because we saw a sail mast sticking out of the water and we wanted to check out that sunken wreck. It looks pretty big. From what I can tell, it's an open sport fish of some type. Leave your thoughts of what it is in the comments below. This boat's pretty close to the marine park over yonder. I believe this boat was actually purposely sunk as it has its engine covers and hatches all removed. So where I'm snorkeling at is right off of Phil Forster Park. There's an underwater marine park with buoys and stuff to keep swimmers safe. No boats are allowed in that area. The sunken boats are in the vicinity of the marine park. We'll check out the marine park a little bit after the sunken vessels. Let's get back to them. This surprised us. The two boats were tied together. We saw the mast of the sailboat, but we didn't actually expect to see another boat. The sport fish was definitely surprising. Let's dive down to get a closer look at it. While the sport fish looks like it has been down there a while, the sailboat was recently sunk. You can tell by the lack of buildup of barnacles and vegetation on it. My dad swam down on the sailboat. It looks like this buoy didn't get the message that the boat sunk. It's always very eerie coming across a sunken boat. What's its story? Where did it come from? How did it sink in the first place? These are always questions that come to mind when I discover and explore wrecks. There I am trying to get a selfie with the ship. I let my dad borrow the GoPro to take a photo of me. It kind of looks like I'm driving the ship from the flybridge. I captured this photo of my dad diving down to the boat. Here's a picture of my dad with the sunken sportfish. As you can see, this is why I think the boat was purposely sunk. All the deck and stuff has been removed. Not too far from the wrecks is this sunken boarding ramp. It's kind of just been on the bottom for years and fish tend to gather around it. Near the boarding ramp was this starfish. I dove down to get a closer look. Over in the marine park I ran across a school of sheep's heads, so I followed them a little bit. There's always a ton of fish in the marine park. My dad dove down to take a closer look. There were many rocks dumped in the marine park and many different marine life living around and on them. This was the first time I ever saw a sea slug in person. This thing was pretty big. These were some odd creatures I ran across. They were like snake worm things sticking their head out of the ground, probably trying to catch plankton or little fish. As soon as I got close to them, they dove right back into their little holes. Time to leave the swim area and head back to the boat. This was a fun day snorkeling with my dad. If you like these type of videos, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Well, have a nice day everyone. Bye.